Just 4 days before the release of her newest album, a letter from Taylor Swift's attorney demanding that a website retract and delete an article critical of Swift has drawn a sharp, but also winking, rebuke from the American Civil Liberties Union. A letter dated October 25 and addressed to Meghan Herning, the executive editor of a small California blog named PopFront, claimed that the site's article titled "Swiftly to the Alt-Right, Taylor subtly gets the lowercase kkk information" was defamatory and that, if it was not retracted and removed, Ms. Swift is prepared to proceed with litigation, according to a copy of it made public by the ACLU. The letter's author, attorney William J. Briggs II, did not respond to a request confirming its authenticity, nor did a Swift representative respond to a request confirming that Briggs represents Swift. The article in question, which veers between Kanye West's interruption of Swift at an awards show, the appropriation of Swift by white nationalists, the eugenics movement of the early 20th century, World War II and American silence toward the Nazi Party, and the lyrics of Swift's recent single "Look What You Made Me Do," ultimately argues that Swift's perceived silence on political issues is not innocent, it is calculated. The article argues that by not tacitly embracing progressive politics, Swift could well be construed as her lending support to the voices rising against embracing diversity and inclusion emblematic of Trump supporters. The article's rhetorical veracity is not the point for the ACLU, however, only that PopFront was stating an opinion about Swift, not asserting any facts. In its response, the ACLU of Northern California writes that Ms. Herning and PopFront will not in any way accede to the demands. Swift is a public figure, as the ACLU explains, a designation which gives critics and journalists broad protections in what they can legally write about those figures. Anyone suing for defamation on behalf of a public figure must prove both that the writer they're suing published false information and was aware beforehand it was false and published it anyway. As well, opinion is, by definition, not defamation.